I'm here at Walnut Wednesday, where the Executive Grille on the Go made its debut, and it was a huge hit. This food truck is a retired CMSD school bus, and it's operated by the talented student chefs from Jane Addams Business Career Center, and it is one of a kind, unlike any other food truck out here. But don't take my word for it. Hear from the Cleveland community about why they say the Executive Grille on the Go is the place to go. Ever heard of food so good it should be illegal? Well, Cleveland police officers carefully examined the evidence in this case.
It's amazing. The food is amazing. Look at my partner. Come here. Come close. Come on. Look at this. Cheesecake. We had the sloppy joe. We had the mac and cheese. I have the New York cheesecake frozen on a stick, dipped in chocolate. It's amazing.
The menu is filled with delicious versions of everyone's favorite school lunch foods, sure to make you feel nostalgic no matter where you're from.
This is very extraordinary. It's amazing. Yeah, I wish we had the same in Germany.
From Deutschland to Cleveland, the Executive Grille on the Go has customers wanting more. The students sold out of food on their first Walnut Wednesday trip, but District CEO Eric Gordon arrived just in time.
I got the loaded nachos, and our kids are right here on Walnut Wednesday serving next to some of the best chefs in Cleveland, and they're sold out. This is what we need for all of our kids, is real, authentic experiences, and the kids are thriving in the experience. And then also knowing that Max Hayes students out of our constructions program actually helped build the bus with our transportation. And so this is all of our kids all in to make real learning happen. Can't wait to get another bite and get here soon enough to get some of the other stuff off the menu.
The Executive Grille on the Go will be hitting the streets of Cleveland throughout the summer at more Walnut Wednesdays. You can follow the truck's journey on Twitter at Grille on the Go. Reporting from Walnut Wednesday, Shannon Kantner, CMSD TV.